Good morning. Today we are going to learn about biodiversity. What do you mean by biodiversity? The extension of all living organisms in this whole world. Can you understand? I will repeat. The extension of all living organisms in this whole world, like plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, etc. etc. This is called biodiversity. So, who coined this name? Okay, I will say. Walter G. Rosen. He coined that name at 1885. Biodiversity is divided into three types: habitat diversity, species diversity, genetic diversity. So, what is meant by habitat diversity? The life exists in sand, water, air, and other such habitats, and biotic community are known as habitat diversity. What is meant by species diversity? Species diversity is the function of both species richness and species evenness. It measures the number of species in the given community and also the distribution of each species within the community. This is called species diversity. What is meant by genetic diversity? The genetic diversity refers to the variation at the level of individual genus besides providing a mechanism. To understand clearly, we can go to forest.
We came to the jungle. It's so deep and dense over there. So you can see small grasses over here and the small plants over there and the big trees over there. So everything combines each other and form the biodiversity. Can you hear any of the sound over there? I think it's a tiger. Now you spot a tiger over there. This tiger comes under the species diversity, which I told at the beginning. So, the species diversity consists of every animals and every living organism under it. So, the species diversity, in that one example is tiger. And do you know? 1.5 millions of animals are named and spotted, but 10 to 100 million animals are hidden and not named. So this is one animal which is named. So this all comes under species diversity, which is not named, which is extinct and which is endangered. Every animals come under the species diversity. So I think you're clear now about the species diversity. Come on, we can move to the next topic. This forest is so deep and dense over there. So, can you spot a big tree over here? This everything comes under biodiversity. We are going to say about habitat diversity. Before that, I can spot a bear over there. Can you see the bear? Wow, it is very funny but so anger. So, I think you saw it. Everyone saw the bear over there. This bear lives in a land. So, this land is called habitat diversity. Another one example. You can see this tree. This also lives in a land. This land is called habitat diversity. Many rivers, oceans, ponds, etc. etc.
Now we can go to next topic. Can you see different kinds of birds roaming around there?
Every varieties and every different kinds of species of one kind, when it combines, it forms the genetic diversity. We need to conserve every species over there, or else there will be a scarcity of food, scarcity of water, and everything.
The three types of biodiversity are important for the extension of all living organisms. The ecosystem is the hallmark of the diversity because it helps to sustain the lives of the diverse living things. So, this is called the biodiversity. Thank you. Goodbye.